Hey, it's Design Guy here. Stick around to see exactly how to boost your DPI in Canva for sharper images. Click Create, select Custom Size, then enter any size you want. Next, go to Find an image element, add it here, and then enlarge the image as needed. Since this is a premium image, add another element before proceeding. Add the blur effect to your image. When satisfied with the design, click Share and then Download. Next, download the image and check its DPI. Click Download Now, save the image as SD20, and open the folder where it's saved. Right-click the image, select Show More Options, then click Properties. Go to the Details tab to view the image's DPI information. This SD20.png file has a resolution of 96 DPI. I will add it to our design so you can see it clearly in the next steps. Add another page using the normal DPI for download without any increase in resolution. Canva designs are typically 96 DPI. To increase the image DPI, download the design and enlarge its size to the maximum before saving. Select only page 1, then check the DPI output. Next, rename the file as SD21. Go to the folder, right-click the file, choose Show More Options, and select Properties. Click the Details tab, then take a screenshot of the correct page information for reference. Post this to the second page and observe the difference. This shows the DPI after increasing the size to the maximum. You can do this if you have a Canva Pro or any premium Canva account. After using the maximum size, you'll notice the change in image quality. You can create a 300 DPI design by increasing the DPI in Canva. Here's how to do it step by step. Try a few more designs, the output will remain the same. Normal resolution is 96 DPI, while the premium version offers 300 DPI for higher quality. Now you know how to boost your DPI in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more quick design tips.